welcome to DIY Everything. Today we're going to be unboxing the super cool LOL Surprise OMG Queen's doll, Prism. I am so excited to open her because I've been wanting her for a really long time. And yeah, I did film an unboxing on Splash Beauty, but I don't think I uploaded that, and I don't think I will upload that. If you want to see it, I might upload it, but it didn't come out really well, so I don't think I'm going to upload that. Anywho, let's dive right into the unboxing. Okay, so I am on the floor by the House of Surprises, which I also filmed an unboxing on, but I think we lost the footage for that. It's actually not fully built yet, but I've started to put the furniture in, even though it's not fully built. I got this House of Surprises for my birthday because I really love LOL dolls. So yeah, you will see a lot of LOL Surprise unboxings on my channel. Anywho, let's open Prism. So yeah. Also, do you like my hat? I don't know, should I keep this on? I think I will. Okay, Prism, get ready to be opened. Sorry if there's a little background noise because in the kitchen my mom is cooking and my dad's also cooking in the kitchen, so yeah, sorry if there's a little noise. Anywho, I'm just gonna open Prism up. Okay, and now let's pull her out of the box. Oh my god, she's so cool, you guys. Look at her. Okay, so we just took the packaging off and she's like so cute. I already love her. So isn't she just like adorable? I actually didn't even go over any details of what the packaging said, but you don't really need to know that because it's just packaging. Okay, so I feel like let's get started by unboxing all of her fashions, I guess. I'm just gonna cut it off like this. Boom. Okay, Prism, let's see what clothes you came with, Queen. Oh, these are her shoes, you guys. Let me turn the camera this way. There we go. And you can see the House of Surprises. Okay, so we opened this bag. Oh, it says what it is. Size 6.5 stiletto heels. Okay. They should have put it in a shoebox. That would have been cuter. Whoa, Prism. These are fancy. Fancy shoes, Prism. Aren't these so cute? Does she come with more shoes? I know Splash Beauty came with 2 pairs of shoes. But I don't know how many pairs of shoes this queen comes with. Oh, okay, so there's these like... Is there clothing behind here? I can't tell. Okay. So there's these like magazines. It's hard to film. Sorry. There's these like magazine thingies over here. So I'm just going to pull those out. I think these are stickers. I'm not sure. I don't know. One of these came with Splash Beauty too. I don't think these are stickers, but these are so cute. So we got this little thing, Prism. I'm gonna hang this up on the wall of the House of Surprises. That would be cute. That's what I was gonna do with Splash Beauties, but like I lost hers. All right, and it comes with this magazine. Wow. Some call me edgy, some call me cute. Queen of the tracks. I play it loud. I like Prism. I just like her. She's like so cool. I think this is her invitation to the Queen's Gala, so let's fold this in half. I call Prism cute for sure. She's just so cute. She is the queen of the tracks. She's a DJ. All right, there's something behind this flap thingy. So let's cut this flap off. And we're just gonna, oh, it's like attached by a hook. Okay, goodness. Ah, got it. And it's still stuck to that. There, well, we pulled these out. Okay, so let's open this blind bag. Oh my god, guys! This purse is just so cute! I love this. Oh my god, look at it! So cute. Alright, let's see her clothing. Ooh, it even came with a hanger. I just want to preserve it in this bag. I'm not even going to get rid of the bag. Like, I don't think it can even tear. Can it? Yeah, I think we can preserve this bag. It's not like the same material as these wax paper ones. It's like a fabric. Oh my god, yeah, I can keep this to actually store her clothes in. Okay, what is this exactly? It's supposed to be a prism. Skirt. Oh, it's a top, I think. I'm not entirely sure. I love this bag. I'm just gonna save that to keep her clothes in. Okay, now we have this blind bag, this blue blind bag with a tiara on it. Ooh, this seems cool. Ooh, fancy. Is there anything else in there? I feel like there's something else. No, nothing else. Okay, so we got this bracelet. I'm not entirely sure again what this is, but it's cute. And then we got these adorable little sunglasses. So when I got Splash Beauty, you guys, her sunglasses didn't actually fit her. Let's see if Prism sunglasses fit her. I feel like there's more fashions she should come with. Isn't there like 3 different styles? Oh wait, let's look at the packaging. Yeah, I think this thing is like a jacket. Okay, let's take out her hairbrush now. It's a blue colored hairbrush, fancy. And her doll stand is pink, just like Neon Wishes. We'll take our doll stand out in the end. Right now we should take Prism out. Oh, look at the packaging. Fancy. I'm sorry, I didn't even give you guys like a review of the packaging and everything. I'm just so excited to open her. My mom and dad gave her to me for Christmas. So she's really cute. So thank you to them. Big thank you. Okay, I don't know how to take her out even. Oh my god, the packaging just came out. Okay. Wow, this box is cute. I'm sure I can use it for something. An instruction manual. LOL surprise OMG Queens. Let's read it. Meh, just stuff about the doll stand. We don't need that. Okay, I hate how they put the packaging so tough. Oh god, why did they have to tape her to the back? Poor Prism. Ugh. I'm seriously confused as to how to open this. Why do they have to make it so tough just to open a doll? I mean, okay, wait, there's some things around her hands to keep them in place. I love Prism's top and her skirt. It's like so cute. Alrighty then. Where else are there like rubber bands? I'm just gonna cut those out. Oh wow, there's one on her hair and I don't want to cut her hair. There. Cut. Oh no, did I cut? Oh darn it. Tell me I didn't cut her hair. Got it. I think there's more rubber bands that have Prism attached to this board thingy. Oh my god. Oh my god, look at her hair! That is so fancy! Prism! Oh my god. So it's like all stuck to this plastic base. There. We're cutting it out now, but, oh! She's secured to the plastic base thing by her head. Good to know. Her hair is messy already, I can tell you that. It's like really hard to cut these things out with Prism's hair being like this, but it's cute, her hair. I just want to take her out and brush her hair right now because it looks a little tangled. I'm very picky about how the doll's hair is. You should know that about me. What is this? I can see a bald spot. Why does she have a bald spot? Prism has a bald spot. It's okay, Prism. We can fix you. Don't worry. Oh, yeah, I cut that off. And that. You should know that it's really hard to take the packaging off in the dolls. So I would definitely, it's not coming off. I'm gonna go ask my mom for help. Be right back. Oh my god, you guys. Okay, so my mom was able to get Prism out, and yes, I'm wearing my glasses now because I forgot to put them on. But my mom was able to get Prism out, and she is just so cute. I love her. I love her so, so much. Isn't she just like adorable, you guys? Also, look at this cool chain I made for my glasses. See? Isn't that cool? I'll film a tutorial on how to make that if you guys want. I'll definitely post a tutorial, yeah. Just look at her though, you guys. She's adorable, and her hair, look at her hair. Her hair is so cool. I love the hairstyle that she came with. I mean, Prism is like so, so cute, you guys. She's my favorite for sure. Hi everybody, I'm Prism. Thanks for watching. Please be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Well, okay, yeah, it's not the end of the video just yet, but Prism already said that, so I don't have to tell you guys that. But like, look at it. I'm afraid her hair's like messy, but I think it's fine. Let's put on some shoes for Prism. I always struggle to put the dolls' shoes on, but let's see if Prisms are any easier to deal with. No, they're not. They're not. If you guys have any tips on how to do this, put their shoes on, post it in the comments on my community tab, please, because like, I don't know, I'm not good at that. I need to know how. So if you guys have any tips, again, go to my channel, go to the community tab, and comment how you do it. How you put their shoes on. I love Prism's shirt and her skirt. She's so fashionable and cute. Let's put her purse on. Ooh la la, Prism. And her glasses. This is the true test. Do her glasses fit? Oh, they do. Well, they sort of do. Wait. Her glasses fit her, you guys. It's amazing. Like, amazing, amazing. And her hairbrush. We can give her hair a nice brush if we feel it needs it, but I don't think her hair needs it. Well, I mean, it is sort of tangled, I guess, but I think it's nice. I'm still not entirely sure what this is. I'm gonna look, actually. And this picture that it gave of Prism, oh, it's a belt, you guys. She came with a belt. You know, we could even use it as a ring. Ta-da, fancy. I'm actually not even entirely sure this belt is gonna fit her, but let's see. I think it's a little small for her, I'm not sure. But let's put it on and see. Oh, wait. Boom. It fits, but the Velcro's not, wait. It's, for some reason, not Velcroing. Why isn't it Velcroing? Go on, Velcro! There. There is her belt. Prism is all decked out and ready to go shopping, except for her shoes. She can't put on her shoes. It's okay, she's going shopping barefoot. We're going shopping! And now let's try her jacket on. Or what I think is a jacket. How do you even put this on? Wait, there's like Velcro here? I'm confused. Okay, let's try it on. Wait, do you put it on top of the shirt? Yeah. I had no idea what this was, but then I'm like, oh wait, it's a jacket. Ah! Prism, sit down. Wait, let's put Prism up here with all the dollies. Prism is happy now. I'm still struggling to put her jacket on. I'm not sure if it's gonna go on. I wasn't able to do it, but let's try it. Okay, say bye to the dolls now. Prism, come back down here. Let's put your jacket on. Her hair is getting in the way of it. Prism, you need to go for a haircut. Oh yeah, we got one side of the jacket on. Oh, but it's not going all the way to the other side. Don't get it. I don't get it. Oh no. Prism, let's put your jacket on. And I know I'm putting this on right. I know I am, for a fact. Don't ask me how I know, but I know. Can't wait. Nope. It's refusing to cooperate. Come on, just cooperate. Just for this video. Ugh. Oh God, that's a tight squeeze. I doubt this is really. Nope, the jacket's not going on. Take it off, Prism. Just take it off. Now it's not coming off. I don't want to tear it. Prism's clothing is not easy to work with. I can already tell you that. Wait, I think I might be able to put it on. I might be able to put it on. Yeah, no, it's not going on. I give up. I give up. Okay. Yeah, Prism's clothing or jacket did not cooperate. And now there's hair all over her face. Dang it. Dang it. Prism, get the hair out of your face. Wait, her earring fell off. Where did your earring go? Prism. Okay, fine, then we'll take your other earring off. Oh, there it is. I found your earrings. Her earrings are little zippers. See? They're little zippers. Aren't those cute? Okay. Prism's hair is another thing, but it has a mind of its own. Yeah. Oh, wait, let's put her hands back on. I took those off to put her clothes on. That sounds funny. Oh, now her other hand won't go on. There. There we go. There we go, Prism. Okay, now Prism, you can give them the message. Okay, thanks for watching, everybody. Please be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you, bye. Also, post in the community tab if you know how to put my shoes on. Okay, bye. Bye, guys. Put Prism up here.